Well, today is nasty, like super nasty, about 39 degrees, and it's already middle of May. So today I'm going to start another project making beehives, and I decided to make one that sort of looks like a trough. As you can see, it's nasty today, cold, cloudy, but this should be a fun project. I'm going to make them about 4 foot wide. And I have a friend who already does beekeeping, and it helps the garden. As you know, there's been kind of a reduction in bees over the past few years in Michigan, and they don't really know why. But I have a huge yard. I already have a spot cleared out here at the back of the yard, and it backs up to a campground. So you know where the pond is, the bog. And this is my wildflower area. You can see them already popping up and growing. So I'm going to try and build a couple things like a swarm trap, and I'm going to put it up here in this nice big tree, and maybe I can actually trap a swarm. And if I can't, I will just order my bees, but I'll show you the progress as it goes. I have made the initial trough. That's going to be the beehive, and I angled it. Next I'm going to start the roof and the bottom. You can see where I cut an angle here. So that it's going to be flat. I still need to screw in the rest of it, but I just wanted to show what the initial trough is going to look like, and then the actual beehives, the slats that they sit on and they build on, is going to sit inside of here. Here's my spot for where the beehive is going to go. See, I built it a little saddle, and it sits on top of this. It's not attached, so that it can be removed and repaired or whatever else I'll need to do with it. And on the inside, I've left a little channel here where they can come in. I'm going to put some mesh to kind of cover it, and they'll come in here. And the next step will be to put the roof on it and the slats that they'll build the honeycombs. You can see it's a nice wooded area next to this nice big tree. I'm going to try and put my my bee nook there, see if I can't get a swarm. All right, next step will be putting the roof on. Here's what the roof looks like. I'm going to actually quit for the day because I've been working on it all day. It's starting to get late. But you can see it's all dried in. That's a weather shield ice guard that you'd normally put on a roof. That should keep it pretty dry. As soon as it warms up, that'll adhere nicely to the top. I cut all the slats. I'm going to cut channels in them tomorrow and attach something that'll allow the bees to start attaching their combs naturally to it. Got marked out where I'm going to drill some holes, and I'm going to put a sight glass on the back. So you can open it up, there'll be glass there, and you can see what they're doing without getting stung. So I'll have a part 2 tomorrow, but that's part 1 today. I think that they're gonna like this spot. Nice shady in the woods. All right, part 2 tomorrow.